everyone, it's Brad here, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you 5 essential beginner chords on the Irish tenor banjo. That's going to be a G, a D, an E minor, a C and an A chord. Now these chords will get you playing loads of songs really quickly. If you're brand new to banjo, make sure to grab my Banjo Basics ebook, link will be in the description. Check that out just before we get going. It goes hand in hand with all these lessons I'm putting up here on YouTube. So let's get started. Now the first chord we're going to learn in today's lesson is the G major chord. Now this one is going to start with the 3rd string open, 2nd string 2nd fret, 1st string 3rd fret, and then the 4th, the low G, is just going to be open. We strum all the strings. Be sure to curl them fingers right round, press nice and hard. And that is our G major chord. Chord number 2 today is going to be a D major chord. That starts with 4th string 2nd fret, that's the low G, 3rd string open, 2nd string open, 1st string 2nd fret, and we strum all the strings. That is our D major chord. So let's quickly put G and D together. So we've got G and a D. Okay, so next up we're going to move on to a minor chord. This one's E minor. It's the only minor chord in today's lineup. Now generally minor chords sound a little bit more sad as opposed to major chords which sound a bit happy. So this is a minor chord, E minor. Starts with 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 2nd fret, 1st string 3rd fret, and then the 4th one, the low G, is going to be open. We strum all the strings. So again we'll put all of them together. So G, D, and then we have E minor so far. So next up, we're going to move on to the C major chord. This one starts with 4th string open, 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, and then the 1st one open. Be sure to curl them fingers right round so that we're not muting the high E. Okay, curl them right round, point at the notes, press hard. That gives us our C major chord. So again, quick recap on all. G, D, E minor, and then C. Okay, so finally we're going to move on to our 5th chord. This one is the A major chord, probably the most difficult one in today's lineup. We're going to start here, 4th string 2nd fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 4th fret. Probably use the pinky for this one. Bit of a stretch and curl round. And then the 1st string open, and we strum all the strings. That is our A major chord. That one's a little bit more difficult, so that one might take a bit more time to master. So let's run through all of them. So we've got G, we then had a D, we've also got E minor, C, and then we just covered the more difficult one, the A chord. Okay, so I have got a tune here called The Wild Rover. I'm just going to demo a few of these chords and put them together, show you how they work together in a song. Now, if you want to learn any tune, there's a website called ultimateguitar.com. You can just go on there and it'll give you chords for pretty much any song you want. Loads of folk tunes on there are dead simple, so just things like Wild Rover. You can check out any Fury songs, they'll be on there. Elvis, anything you want you can pretty much find on there. But yeah, I'm just going to go with Wild Rover today because it's literally just 3 chords. A lot of the sort of folky tunes are 3 chords, repeat. So definitely check that one out. So I'm just going to show you how some of these chords work together. It's pretty much just G, C and D the whole way through. So here we go. So we've got our G chord. I've been the Wild Rover for many a year, and spent all me money on whiskey and beer. But now I'm returning with gold and great store, but never will play the Wild Rover no more. Yeah, and that is basically that tune the whole way through. There's loads of songs like that. Just 3 chords that repeat, just G, C and D the whole way through. Okay, so that's it. 5 basic chords that will get you playing loads of Irish songs. If you want more beginner stuff, do make sure to subscribe, smash that like button down below and download my Banjo Basics ebook. Hope you've enjoyed today's lesson, and I'll see you again in the next one.